Welcome to Shapes, your trusted partner in premium cutlery and innovative kitchen tools. With exports to over 30 countries and a strong distribution network across India, we bring world-class tableware to your world. Our 36,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility is socially and environmentally compliant and is equipped with advanced machinery. Every Shapes product is crafted with passion and precision. That's why we invest in quality raw materials and skilled employees, ensuring our customers always receive the very best. Using only the highest grade, food-safe stainless steel sheets, we ensure that each piece is safe, durable, and built to last. The semi-automatic rolling machines roll the sheet pieces to the exact thickness needed for cutlery and other related components. With powerful double action presses and friction and power presses, all of our products are shaped with consistency and care. Our production facility also includes 4 semi-automatic polishing lines, knife grinding, and many other ancillary machines with an in-house tooling facility. With a team of dedicated and skilled workforce, along with cutting-edge technology, we produce over 400 tons of quality stainless steel products every month, fulfilling our orders without any delay, ensuring our customers get only the best, on time, every time.
The journey of Shapes began in 2009 when we ventured into Indian market to sell stainless steel cutlery and kitchen tools. It has been a very fulfilling journey since then, and we have grown from a small factory to a large facility of 36,000 square feet in Kundli industrial area. And I am proud to share that Shapes is now amongst the top brand in India in the space of stainless steel cutlery and kitchen tools.
We aim to make better dining experiences for our customers, and our vision is to become the top choice in the space of stainless steel cutlery and kitchen tools in India and globally.
Shapes, delivering a spoonful of happiness since 2007.